like, I'm a star in the song, you know?
So let's see it. I'll be right behind you. Go.
Wait. You gotta get up first. I don't even remember the dance I did.
It's okay. You can make up one.
We have like what happened to the...
They don't have it. Do you want the Wii remote? Give her a Wii remote so she can feel better.
No, I mean, I need like the...
They don't have the song.
Go, I'm with you. Go. I'll show you this. I really don't remember it. It's been a while.
All right, just listen.
Yeah. I'm right with you. Go, right back to me. No,
That's nice. No, we're laughing at Jess because she's being fantastic.
Right.
I promised, when you see this video, she's making the video. I'm not impressed with you yet, Katie.
Yeah, there we go.
Woo! This is going on Facebook tonight. Perfect.
There we go. Okay, I have a beer in my hand.
I'll hold it for you, Katie. Here, I got you. All right, break it out. Break it out. This is debauchery.
I say YouTube it. Okay, these are not going to Facebook.